today I bought something really awesome that is blowing up right now, and that is the Spec taillights. And the halos are like really thick. I love that. And that's what I'm saying, that it really does look like a Ferrari style tail. And that's exactly what I was going for with my tails. Right there on top. If you know, you know. If you don't, I'll link that video in the corner. So here are the Spec D's. Let me take this on. See how much they weigh. 3.2, the same thing. I mean, they feel lighter for some reason. 3.2. This is the Spec D's in the rear. Nothing spectacular. However, I must say that the driver's side tail does have an extra wire. This is the passenger tail. Okay, now let's look at fitment. So you can see the fitment is pretty good on all edges. But for some reason, like this side, it's a little bit different. So you see it has a little bit of gap, and I tightened this really good. As you can see, it's like a little bit above the body. Just like a little bit above, as you can see. It's okay. And then if you go to the passenger side, like this side is really flush. As you can see, like it has no space whatsoever. And here, it actually sinks down, and it's like below the body. So you can see here. And I don't mind that dirt. I don't have to fix that. But you can see here, the fitment on the passenger side is way tighter.